In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language here in Clash Royale in 2025 and onwards. It's pretty easy, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, first things first, once you open up Clash Royale, you're going to want to click the three lines up in the top right corner and then select the settings option from the menu that appears. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the option for language. It might say your current language right here. In my case, it says English. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And from here, you could choose from around 20 languages, including stuff like French, English, German, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, Dutch, Portuguese, and so many more. Now, not every single language is available, but you'll likely find the one that you need. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Just simply select the language that you want. It's going to change the language, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.